You may. I'm okay. Is it recording? Yeah. Say hi to your boyfriend. Boo. Oh, I got something in my hand. Did you know I shadowed a picture on my face where his fingers are like this and the camera thing's right here? It's pretty gay.
He's doing it or was I doing it?
He's doing it, where the camera's like this and the little circle thing is between his fingers. It's pretty gay.
Oh, I thought you meant like, so it's like this.
No, he's holding it upwards.
Like this?
Yes.
Got it.
Pretty gay, right?
Well, there's a picture. It's not gay if he's doing it.
Because it's a penis.
No, it's not.
It's a penis!
Oh my god, no, it's not.
It's a penis because it comes out.
Okay. Well, there's a picture of me standing here like this and his tongue between my fingers.
I know, but there's no penis in between it.
That's supposed to be.
Where's the penis?
But I'm sure he didn't like intentionally do that.
Oh, because he said I like penis.
We'll ask him about it.
No.
I'm showing him this video.
How?
YouTube.
How long is it?
Like 5 minutes.
Can I watch it?
No.
I can't watch it.
I don't like you. You can't come back to my house.
Oh! You make me angry.
Dude, you suck at tennis.
Yeah. That sucks.
Just because you're hitting the door doesn't mean you're good.
Not a door.
The fence. Kiana, we're professionals, right?
Yeah.
What else are we professionals at?
I don't know, my nose hurts sometimes.
What else? What else?
I'm a professional fence climber.
Climb the fence.
This one?
This one.
That one hurts. Bitch. I'm gonna find this one. Okay. Really climb it?
But I don't care.
Mine's rusty. Hold on.
What is that good?
I got some rest off. I was pretty stuck.
Say bye. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye.